Hey YouTube peeps, I'm trying to get situated here to ride the Road King for the first time this year, 2024. I'm already having some technical difficulties with my cameras. That's what happens when you don't check your equipment before you head out. I haven't even started the Road King since like October, so it'll be interesting to see if it'll even start. Let's see if this camera will start. Aha. Okay. Feels like it's working. Alright, here we go. Wish me luck. I'm already running late. Nope. Not gonna start. Why is it not starting? Shit. Wait. Okay, I think I got a dead battery. Crud. Well, that didn't go very well. Couldn't get the Harley Road King going, so I had to get the Bronco out of the garage. And the Bronco doesn't get driven very much either, so hopefully I can make it to school today without crapping out somewhere. The brakes are a little bit iffy on the Bronco. Okay, anyway. All right, I gotta get going. All right, talk to you later. Bye.